Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we are making chocolate sour cream cake. Let's get right into it, guys. First things first, let's get into the ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, sour cream milk, baking soda, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, 1 egg, half melted butter, and oil. Now let's get started. In a medium bowl, whisk together half melted butter, oil, and sugar. So here is the tip of today. The secret ingredient to moisten the cake is to add vegetable oil, while the butter will give you best flavor. Vegetable oil stays at liquid temperature and butter solidifies. Next, we are going to add the egg. One thing I like about the eggs, guys, it provides structure, leavening, richness, color, and flavor in baked goods. As you can see, once we add an egg, everything turns yellow from the yolk. The next thing we are going to stir in is vanilla extract. How is everyone doing, guys? I hope you are all doing great. The mixture looks good. Next, we are going to add in sour cream. The creamy texture of sour cream makes baked goods more moist. Since it contains fat, your cake will also be richer. So make sure, guys, you always add sour cream. We're gonna mix this for 2 minutes. Here I have all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and baking soda. We're gonna mix all that together. Then we're gonna pour half of the mixture into wet ingredients. Alternate with the milk. The milk is going to moisten the batter and adds protein, also the flavor. It provides the proper texture and also it enhances the taste. We're gonna start with the dry ingredients and finish with the dry ingredients. We're gonna mix all this for 2 minutes until it's well incorporated. Once all that is mixed well, we're gonna go ahead and add the remaining flour mixture and mix well for 1 minute. Do not overmix, guys. The mixture looks good. The next thing we are going to do is to grease the pan. Now the pan is greased, we're gonna go ahead and pour the batter. Then we're gonna bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna pull the cake out of the oven. It's been 30 minutes. It looks amazing, guys. Smells so good. In the house, we're gonna do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, that means the cake is done. Allow the cake to cool completely at room temperature. I normally leave mine for 6 to 8 hours before I serve it. There's something special about this cake, guys. It goes well with vanilla ice cream. That's what I'm going to use today, but you are more than welcome to use any kind of frosting, icing of your choice, or you can dust with powdered sugar. If you are enjoying this video so far, guys, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Gonna finish it off, garnish it with mint. Then it's time to dig in, guys. I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my